Hey there, sunshine! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content. Today, we're shining a light on a new app that could brighten up your day. It's called Sunnyside. Let's bask in it.
First impressions, the interface is bright, cheerful, and simple to navigate. Feels like stepping into a sunny day. Sunnyside is an alcohol tracking app that helps users build healthier drinking habits. Sunnyside provides support from both AI chatbots and human coaches via text message. The bots remind you to log daily alcohol intake, while human coaches offer personalized tips and guidance. Sunnyside is only available through Apple, costs $12.00 monthly, $29.00 every 3 months, or $99.00 annually, and includes a 14-day free trial. The Sunnyside app provides easy-to-use tracking tools and one-on-one motivational coaching via text message to help users curb alcohol and build healthier drinking habits. It offers an extensive 14-day free trial to help new members become familiar with their tracking method before purchasing a subscription. Unfortunately, the app is currently only available to Apple users. Pros: 14-day free trial. Private texting and personalized support with human coaches. Easy-to-use alcohol tracking tools. Helpful reminders via text to log the number of daily drinks. Cons: only available on Apple devices. No free content. And boarding process can be confusing. It wasn't clear when my free trial was starting. Users only earn rewards for inviting friends to join Sunnyside. Does not include rewards for exhibiting progress in the program. Users have to track drinks for 1 consecutive week to unlock the progress dashboard. Sunnyside versus competitors. Sunnyside isn't the only app out there that advocates the sober curious movement. There are other apps that provide support and guidance for users who want to cut back or quit drinking as a lifestyle change. Below you'll find a few head-to-head comparisons between Sunnyside and its competitors. Sunnyside versus Reframe. Reframe and Sunnyside have a lot of similarities, but also some significant differences. They both aim to build alcohol tracking habits through a personalized support system. And they both warn that the apps shouldn't be used to treat alcohol use disorder, AUD. Reframe is a little more expensive, with subscriptions costing $24.99 monthly or $119.99 annually. While some might be turned off by Reframe's price tag, you do receive a comprehensive alcohol-reducing program with this app. Reframe offers a 17-module educational program, a rewards-based system, and peer support through community forums. Users also have the option to receive one-on-one support from a Reframe coach in their premium plan, with subscriptions starting at $99.99. If you're budget-conscious and looking for a simple alcohol tracking system, Sunnyside is a great choice. However, Reframe is really the superior app in the sober-conscious world. Its daily program provides lessons on the science behind drinking, which helps users gain a better understanding of why they drink and how it affects the mind and body.
And remember, every day can be a sunny day with the right attitude. Hit the like button if you found this review helpful, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more mood-boosting content. See you in the next video.